Hello, hi. So I've realized since I came to this place, I've never showed you my room, and I'm leaving tomorrow. So I really need to do this tonight before I sleep. Yeah. So here's how my room looks. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you some other time. Bye bye. So this is the entrance door. And then we have curtain box. And then on this side we have the bed. So that's how the bed looks like. I actually had not realized I have a TV. Clearly I've been busy with other things. That's the TV. And that's how that side looks like. This door leads to the washroom. Then this thing there, the blue thing, is something I usually put on top of the pillow whenever I'm traveling. Like I carry my own stuff for sleeping on. On this side I have a lot of things. My clumsy self, like with a lot of stuff over there. That's a hanging place. Yeah, and my stuff over there. And then on this side, these slippers are provided. Then that's me, ready to sleep. Hi, how are you? That's me, and that's my outfit for sleeping. Yeah, so that's the mirror. That's how that side looks. We have the art over there, and then that's my lasso. So that's how that side looks like. So this door leads to the bathroom. Not looking so good, but I can manage. Then I have a sink over here. That's my wash. That's my soap for showering. The one I had earlier got finished, and then yeah, basically that's how it looks. Yeah, basically that's the room. So adios guys, until next time, it's bye bye for me. Bye.